Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this Thresher Shark in Fish It Roblox. So the Thresher Shark is a beast to reel in, but here I'm going to show you the exact location and the gear you need to catch the fish. So this one is a mythic tire fish on Fish It. And let me show you where to get the fish. So first, for the location, you need to go to the tropical growth. Here, once you're in the island, you can just go up here. So I'm going to just go here and go to the top. And let me show you the exact location where I got the fish. So this is the spot where I got the fish. You can just throw your rod in here, and as for the rod, I'm using the element rod with the singularity bait, and you can just try your luck to get the mythic Thresher Shark. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.